Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into a passport photo glow up using Pippit AI for free. Okay, first of all, you need to visit Pippit AI website and you're going to sign in with your Google account, and then you will get free credits. And you're going to go to the home menu, select image feature, and then you're going to upload your image that you want to turn into a passport photo, and I'm going to choose this one. Then this is the prompt. Actually, for the prompt you can modify it as you like, but this is mine. You can also use my prompt if you want. And now the photo is being uploaded. Then I'm going to submit the photo and also the prompt, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, done for the photo, and I'm going to choose this one. You can click on the photo that you want to download, or you can try again if you're not satisfied with the result, like this. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to choose without Pippit watermark. Okay, and we can just download it. If you want to try it yourself, guys, you can join the Pippit AI. Just click the link on my YouTube description and you can start to do something that you want using AI. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!